In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Webflow user accounts. This is an essential feature if you're looking to manage a community or offer personalized experiences on your Webflow website. We're going to break it down step by step, making sure you know exactly what to do, whether you're starting fresh or incorporating user accounts into an existing site. Let's say you're at the very beginning of your Webflow journey and you're building a new site. The first step is to select a template that already comes with user accounts enabled. This is a great playground to start with since a lot of the groundwork is already laid out for you. However, if you're feeling adventurous, you can skip the template and start building your site entirely from scratch. This gives you the ultimate control over your design and functionality, including how you want user accounts to integrate. Now, if you have an existing Webflow site and want to add user accounts to it, there's a straightforward way to do that. Begin by navigating to the CMS tab on your site. Once there, you'll see an option that says Users. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's crucial to note that once you enable user accounts for a site, this action is irreversible, so make sure this is the direction you want to go in before proceeding. Once enabled, this will seamlessly integrate user-related collections and pages into your site's infrastructure. After completing this step, you'll notice something new in your Webflow project. In the Add panel, you'll find several user account elements that have been automatically included. These elements are fundamental as they form the backbone of how users will interact with your site, from signing up and logging in to managing their account details. These pre-built elements save you a lot of time and effort, making the user account feature robust, but also customizable to suit your specific needs. To wrap up, incorporating user accounts into your Webflow site might seem daunting initially, but with these steps, you'll find it surprisingly straightforward. By enabling user accounts, you're opening up a host of possibilities for engaging with your audience effectively and tailoring content to individual users. Whether you're working with a fresh template or enhancing an existing site, Webflow provides the flexibility and tools you need to create a dynamic and interactive experience for your users. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your Webflow experience. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Until next time, happy designing